Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about marketing process. So let us look at some of the processes that will help in your business. So one is study the customer buying behavior. So you need to study the customer buying patterns, behaviors. So how do you know this? So maybe you can talk to your internal sales team or online you can use Google Analytics, which is free, right? So check how what is the traffic on each page, highest traffic on which page, and which content customer reads more, right? And which content customer reads in full, and which one they are actually sharing with their friends or colleagues on social media. So right, so you need to have some kind of analytics where you can study the buying patterns of customers, right? So for example, if you take YouTube, if average view duration is more, then traffic will increase. So similarly, Google, Facebook, right? All these social media platforms you can utilize to study the customer behavior. So then gain customer attention. So how do you gain customer attention? Anticipatory content to gain customer attention. So your content should be 10x, and it should be authentic and relevant content. So people should feel that that is to the point. So it should not be like boring long stories, long articles. Whatever the content that you are showing, it should be to the point. So people should be able to understand whatever the requirement they have, right? And don't add too many promotional offers in your content, right? That will be boring to the people, so they may skip. For example, if you are if you are a doctor, like make a content on prevention based content, right? Don't say that you buy these medicines, right? So you just give prevention based content, then people will automatically they will come to you, right? So this is how you need to gain customer attention. And then you plan your marketing budget very effectively. So marketing budget mostly should be spent on what? So there are two things, right? Either inbound marketing or outbound. So customer should come to you, you should use pull strategy. Like for example, you take Intel. So when you go and uh, ask for a laptop in Reliance Digital or Chroma or wherever you go, so you say that I need a laptop which is having Intel inside, right? So that is a pull strategy, which is successful strategy implemented by Intel, right? So don't spend much on outbound marketing like TV ads or telemarketing, right? Trade shows, etc. So you can spend more on inbound marketing like social media, right? Blogging, content marketing. So this actually empowers customer and they come to you, right? So they trust, reputation, loyalty increases, right? So because people when they share on social media, then they talk to each other and then they decide, yes, this product is useful and good, and then they will go ahead and buy. So inbound marketing nowadays creating a lot of impact on your marketing strategies, right? Then focus on building your customer database, not just promoting your content or products. Also try to build your customer database. So it is very easy nowadays because you can create a landing page where customer can fill their phone numbers, email, interest, buying, and based on that, you will have a proper database available with you, and then you can utilize the database for the later marketing strategies. So data comes through various channels, maybe it comes from your old sales or inquiry forms or events that you are conducting or from feedback forms, right? So collect all the data, whatever is required for you, and then put it in a database and then run analytics through it, right? And utilize that very effectively. And when you call the customer, old customers from this database, don't just immediately get into the business, right? So first you try to build the relationship. So 80% time you should spend on building the relationship, and then 20% of the time maybe you can utilize for selling your product. And then uh, customer recall, right? So how do you recall customer? Storytelling for recall. So storytelling actually helps. So when you are talking to a customer, you try to build a story where people should be able to connect, and that should be make sure that is entertaining, right? The storytelling should be entertaining, emotional, and it should be educational, so then people will easily connect with you. If it is emotional, immediately people will connect. So that is very good storytelling strategy, right? Then customer becomes a repeat customer and loyal customer, and they actually help you in promoting your product by sharing with their friends and colleagues. So this is very good strategy, right? Marketing process. So friends, these are different type of marketing processes, and thanks for watching. uh, Share, like video, subscribe channel, and then share video if you like. If you any of your friends or colleagues will get benefited out of it, and then press bell icon if you want to watch my latest videos. Thanks, see you next time.